Hi, my name is Annette, and my son was diagnosed with osteosarcoma last year in September. He went through chemotherapy, the first line of defense chemotherapy. He had the femur removed. He had a shoulder surgery as well. He had a couple of lung nodules in his lungs. He had those removed. In May, he finished his last chemotherapy. We did a scan. He was all clear. A few weeks later, we did another type of scan, bone scan, and there were 2 nodules in his lungs. We had those removed. Then a few weeks later, we had a CT scan, and we were told that it was all clear. Well, a week and a half later, we were told, sorry, it actually wasn't all clear. He had multiple nodules in a matter of like 4 or 5 weeks in his lungs. The cancer was coming back, as sometimes happens when you do chemo and no one tells you this. We decided to get a second opinion. We had a hurricane in the middle of it. We had also previously done a bone scan. And they had seen something on the left hip, but I guess nothing of concern. It was a bone scan, so they couldn't really see any tissue either. They probably should have investigated that further. But anyhow, so then we went to another doctor. We got a PET scan eventually. And lo and behold, we have a ginormous tumor on the left hip. Inoperable. Multiple nodules in his lungs. I'm making this video because I'm making a plea for anyone out there that knows any new developments with osteosarcoma, reoccurring metastatic osteosarcoma, any type of new development, new trial that you're aware of. Please, 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 as a mother, I'm pleading for answers. I am not going to give up this fight. My kid is 14 years old, so I'm not giving up this fight. So anyone out there that knows anything specifically for osteosarcoma, I've done the plant-based diet. I did it for a year. I think that because the plant-based diet does have a lot of fruits and veggies, usually it does do very, very well for cancer, and none of his organs have been affected other than his lungs, which is great. I'm going to try a different approach with keto, just to try to completely reduce the sugar, and maybe that will make a difference. I also have him on cannabis. So please, anybody out there, I'm pleading, please let me know if you know of any new advancements with the osteosarcoma in their treatments, any new trials, anything, anybody out there. Thanks.